Hey, hey everyone, it is time for a special edition of our Tara's must-haves. We have our garden pattern, a pattern that we only bring this time of year, and then once it's gone until this time next year. And we did a little watering can edition. These are so stinking cute, you guys. So the garden pattern itself, there you can see that we have that beautiful hummingbird, we have our critters on there, we have our dragonfly, and then of course we have our ladybug. Ladybug being good luck, and all of our critters and all of their meanings absolutely beautiful. So this is going to be your creamer, and this is actually your sugar shell. So look how cute this is. This has that beautiful lid that'll pop right off. Nice oversized handle here. So again, I love the fact easy to get a spoon right inside. How adorable are these on everybody's table? Tuck them in the windowsill. Like, these are just so stinking cute. All right, that's one of our must-haves. And then follow me over here because I mean, you need napkin rings and you need watering can inspired napkin rings with our critters right there on the top, the ladybug, the dragonfly, and of course the hummingbird. And then look at this, because it has that sweet little detail. Oh, I'm brewing a cup of coffee, don't you worry. I'll show you why in just a minute. You're just gonna go ahead and tuck the napkin right through here. Look how sweet this is. Pull it straight through, and now you have adorable watering can napkin holders. I mean, come on, these are so sweet. Love the idea of these. Then we were brewing coffee. We have our 14-ounce canteen mugs. These are adorable. Again, I love the shape, I love the silhouette, and I love the pops of colors and all of our critters that you see there. So, and of course the ladybug I do in honor of my grandmother who visits me with ladybugs. So I know ladybugs mean a lot, have great meaning for a lot of people, and their protection and their good luck. But super easy, right? 14 ounces. Look how perfectly using all of these pieces together. I just love everything about that. So there's your little cream and sugar. Now I made my great coffee. But follow me down here because our mugs are great too in the fact that you can bake in them. So this is a little mug cake that we just went ahead and decorated. Look at how sweet our little ladybug inspired deco. Or, I mean, this is kind of where I'm gonna hang out with our Bloody Mary. So now you can have 14 ounces of fun Bloody Marys. Have you seen the Bloody Marys these days? Like chicken wings and hamburgers on them. Like, I've never seen such a thing. It's like a full-on meal. But I love putting something together for brunch, mimosas, things like that. So we were super excited about this, and garden inspired, of course. Watering cans is just such an iconic theme. So of course we put our beautiful garden pattern on it. So remember, you're getting the sugar shell or the creamer, you're getting a set of 4 of our napkin holder, or you're getting 4 of our 14-ounce mugs. And where can you find these? They are over at temp-tations.com. Head on over there and check them all out.